In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Manychat for Instagram comments. This is a fantastic tool for automating your communication on Instagram, so let's dive right in and make sure you're set up for success. First, we need to get started by accessing the Manychat platform. Open up your preferred web browser and head over to Manychat's website. Once there, the next step is to sign in to your account. If you're a first-time user, you'll need to create an account first, but assuming you already have one, simply click on the Sign In button. Make sure you have your login credentials handy for a smooth sign-in process. Once signed in, you'll find yourself on the Manychat home dashboard. This is where you can manage all your chatbot activities and settings. From the home page, the next thing you want to do is click on the Home tab. This will bring you to the main control center for your account, giving you access to all the vital functions you'll need. Now that you're in the Home tab, direct your attention to the Settings button. Clicking here is crucial as it opens up all the configuration options for your chatbots and integrations. Once you're in the Settings menu, look for an option labeled Channels. This is where we start customizing how Manychat interacts with your social media platforms. In the channel section, you'll see a variety of options. Today we're focusing on Instagram, where Manychat can help you automate responses to comments. So, find and click on the Instagram option. If you have multiple channels linked to your Manychat, make sure you select the correct Instagram account to avoid any confusion. To complete the integration, you need to connect Manychat to your Instagram account. In the Instagram settings panel, you'll see an option to connect. Clicking on this will initiate the connection process between Manychat and your Instagram account. Ensure you follow any on-screen prompts carefully, as it might require you to log into your Instagram account or authorize permissions. Once completed, Manychat will be linked to your Instagram account, allowing you to manage and automate responses to comments quickly and efficiently. This setup opens up a world of possibilities, from automatic responses to organizing comment threads and improving engagement with your followers. And there you have it. With just a few simple clicks, you've integrated Manychat with your Instagram account, automating the way you interact with comments and saving you valuable time. Keep experimenting with the settings to tailor it to your specific needs, and watch how it enhances your social media strategy. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tutorials and tips.